Wow. So are they done here totally?
What's that?
Are they totally done on the side?
They're supposed to be, yeah. Well, fuck. They were supposed to take this stove out.
But they didn't.
Yeah. Oh, I think this guy's here. Let me run down. I'll
Cool.
see you in a second.
All right, cool. I'll just.
Hey, are you outside? Alright, coming right now.
Okay. So right here we have there's two types of surfaces. This is our post-construction cleaning. I don't know if you saw the other half, but we try to post the other half, but same surfaces, but the dust here is not as much. So all this has to be cleaned out, right? So when it comes to pricing, you got to factor all the stuff in. You have to clean all this, right? You got to clean all the stuff, clean all this, take off the plastic. And you see the dust right there, all of that. Clean the windows, the window seal. You move the papers, stickers, I'm sorry. Clean inside the cabinets. It's straightforward. But the point is, you gotta factor in the time it takes to take all this out, right? Does it take 2 seconds to remove this or 5 minutes? How long does it take to clean how long does it take to clean the microwave? How long does it take to clean the cabinet, right? What's in the cabinet? Is it just dust? Are you gonna be, cleaning just dust, or are there fingerprints, right? Are there pencil marks, right? If the pencil marks, the charge is different. The fingerprints, the charge is different, right? You gotta clean the stove. There's stickers on it. Do you have to remove the stickers? That's also a charge, right? Because it's not really about the charge, it's about the time it's going to take. So you gotta charge accordingly, right? So you gotta remove all this, and this takes time, right? How long is it gonna take you to remove this? Right, so this is two things. This is for the customer and for the service provider. For the customer, the question is, am I gonna hire somebody that knows what they're doing, they can move faster and take it off? Or am I gonna hire somebody who is not really experienced and they're not gonna move faster and I'm not gonna get what I want necessarily? It doesn't mean you're not gonna get what you want, but necessarily, let's just say, right, because of lack of experience. So I'll put it that way. Not to be judgmental, but lack of experience. So, right, so that's the question. And you, the service provider, right, your thing is, okay, I have to take all this stuff. I have to take all that stuff, right? And how long is it going to take me to take all this off? And what is the cost value for me providing that service? So that is it.